Honorable Deputy Speaker, I rise to commend the 2016 budget to this House, and I begin by thanking the Honorable Minister for Finance for the boldness of his vision. It is a budget of our time, and it creates, amongst other things, a fair tax regime for all Fijians through the change to VAT. And it is a budget for the future, in that it continues our investment in Fiji's infrastructure to set us up for increased prosperity in the years ahead. As a government, Fiji First is building a strong Fiji, a fair Fiji, and a healthy Fiji. The 2060 budget is an extremely impressive document. Honorable Deputy Speaker, once again, investment in national infrastructure is a top priority for 2016. As we build up the impressive outlay, the past few years that have transformed our economy for the better. All told, my ministry's budget has increased for more than $1 million next year. This includes $635.7 million for the Fiji Road Authority and $250.4 million for Water Authority of Fiji. So we are fully committed to continue the massive upgrade of our basic infrastructure that has transformed our nation's prospect and set us up for an extended period of growth. We are extremely proud of this achievement on this side of House, and I'm sure that this program has the support of every Fijian. Honorable Deputy Speaker, in support of my minister, I will focus my contribution to this August House, highlighting the Minister's budget allocation for Maritime Safety Authority of Fiji, Government Shipping Services, Department of Work, Department of Building and Government Architect, and Department of Meteorology. Maritime Safety Authority of Fiji, Deputy Speaker said, MSF plays a pivotal role in oversight of its regulatory function covering maritime safety, maritime enforcement, and the prevention of maritime pollutions. For the 2016 budget, MSF will receive the operation grant of $2.4 million and the increase from $2.3 million in 2015. The funding will continue to see that MSF continues with the aid to navigation infrastructure work, which includes the construction of 5 new lighthouses and the maintenance of current structure. In addition, MSF will decentralize its role with the opening of 2 new offices in Rotuma and Naths in 2016. Government Shipping Services, Honorable Deputy Speaker, Government Shipping Services is provided with a budget totaling $22 million to provide important maritime services, development and connectivity to our maritime community. An allocation of $5 million has been provided to commission the construction of a new ship in 2016. A unique ship, Honorable Speaker, with the double function, a multi-purpose function. This will be completed by mid-2017. Honorable Speaker, while we are refitting our vessels, we also are mindful that our berthing facilities, we need to ensure that while our $1 million investment in new ships are purchased, that we are moved to safe and controlled environment. In 2016, we will be undertaking a second phase of reconstruction to the government's wharf at GSS at the cost of $2.9 million. The transformation of GSS will also see that completion of its new building to host the cargo warehouse, engineering, electrical and electronic workshop, office space plus dry and cold storage facility of $2.3 million has been allocated for 2016 to complete this construction work. Honorable Deputy Speaker, the Department of Work in the Ministry's implementation arm in this 4 division, where we play the support role of the implementation of work for divisional commissioners, other government ministries and government statutory authorities. Similarly, the Department of Building and Government Architect holds the tremendous responsibility of providing advice to design, cost, and monitoring for whole of government and civil building construction. Honorable Deputy Speaker, in order to provide this important support services, the other government agencies, the total budget of $21.9 million has been allocated in 2016. The Department of Work is allocated with $400,000 to continue its providing electricity to 5 rural government stations, in Lakemba, Rotuma, Vunisea, Nambualu, and Intobini. Deputy Speaker, the meteorological plays a critical role to deliver the meteorological and hydrological services to our neighbor Pacific Island. In order to ensure that we continue to provide timely and accurate weather forecast, to the National Department of Meteorology is provided with allocation of 1.3 million to replace the aged Navy weather radar with the new advanced capacity.
I thank you for your contribution, Assistant Minister for Infrastructure and Transport.